Hey guys. What? Don't make fun of me. Okay, so I went to the pool today with Lily. Tired. I look tired actually. A lot of that has to do with the fact that I have mascara underneath my eyes. But then the other part of it is I'm tired. It's legit happening. What?
It's a pretty crappy slammer.
It's not what that is. It's just a token. I liked wearing my new bathing suit though. Stop it. But anyway, it was fun. Me and Lily swam around. I laid out and took Snapchat pictures. Stop it. I'm just tired. I might go to bed.
You really didn't finish your milk.
Falling asleep. I'm just gonna label this video yawning a lot. Yawns, yawning, yawning.
Should label it Name the Pokemon.
What if I licked it?
You'd
What is
make
that
someone
weird?
very happy.
Someone. Make someone happy. So I'm gonna find that guy. He's gonna make a lot of money. And then I'm gonna go with him. Just so you know. You think I'm kidding? I'll give you a little bit of the money.
It's fine.
But I'm not gonna marry that person. I'm just gonna be there for the money.
Wait,
Maybe
so,
I might marry them if they give me a nice enough ring.
But either way, you're still divorcing me, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, that's cool.
Yeah, exactly.
But you have to get the money first.
Yeah,
And then divorce me so I can get half of it.
Yeah, I have to know about the money up front. That money has to be real. Can't be fake money.
Well, no, I mean, I want to make sure I get half of it.
You'll get half of it.
Yeah.
And I'll just pay you every single month.
That'd be nice.
Exactly.
Let's just get a computer and inflate the Steam account.
Exactly. I'll be like, here's your money. Shut the hell up. Get out of my face. That'll be the money.
No.
That's good?
I'll be in the basement. Just pay me in Steam codes.
In my basement? What kind of house do you think this is that you live in my basement?
I didn't say your basement. I said the basement.
Your basement?
I don't know. It'll be in a basement somewhere.
That makes sense. You seem like the type of person that'll live in a basement after you get divorced. I look like one of those people that probably have a lot of, like, just people that buy her things. She goes out on dates all the time. What do you call those people? That'd be me. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye. Oh, I can't stop it.